real quick. Aaron is outside of the house. He is, we're at the Hoover Dam inspection area. When you come down, it's very windy, and then you're going to come to a security checkpoint. And when you come down, you go to the right for buses, trucks, and RVs, which is nice because you kind of bypass all the other traffic. And then they're going to come and they're going to want to go through all of your outside compartments, as well as come inside and look in the bathroom.
All right, folks, so it's going to be 1.5 miles straight ahead to the...
If you decide to come to Hoover Dam, be prepared to walk. And if you have fur babies like we do, make sure that you either have it to where you have AC in the RV, or you're here on a cool day to where you can open up all the windows, because they are not allowed on the dam. Service animals only, and it can get pretty hot out here. So anyway, yeah, I'm sure you can see the steps behind me. And then there's these down here, still to go. And if you see all the way up there, that's where the house is parked. So yeah, we walked all the way down, 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 down. And you come down the steps as you see Aaron playing with his gimbal. And then we're gonna walk down and around and all the way over there to all the fact-finding stuff. So here we go. Alright, so just so you know, it is $10 admission into the visitor center.
So visitor center only.
Visitor center only, and then you can do a tour of the dam for $30. And they do not accept the American Beautiful passport. So there you go. Be prepared. With your rigs, there's plenty of parking here at the dam, even for big rigs. You just have to go all the way up to level 14, parking 14. Parking area 14. That's where we were, like up here. See? Way up there. See, there's even a big... Yeah, so there's a big fifth wheel. Just follow the signs. Lots of the signs telling you where to go. Plus, when you go through security, they'll give you the 411 on where you gotta park. It's a little bit of a hike down, so make sure you wear comfortable shoes. Take some bottled water. Yeah, it's about a half a mile, but with the heat and the incline, you know, if it's hot, it could be a little strenuous. So, any other tips you can think of?
Nope. Just gotta go back over. You gotta go back
Yes.
over once you come in, and you can't go
Yeah.
anywhere else. So
Yeah.
go back over,
Gotta-
get out,
Back the way you came.
back on our.
Just be safe and have fun. All right, fam. Peace out. See you later.